Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this adjustment. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a spanner set. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws during the process. Start by powering off your Lenovo Ideapad 330 and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical damage while working on your device. Next, carefully remove the back panel of the laptop. This typically involves unscrewing several screws located at the base. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back panel is removed, you will have access to the internal components. Take a moment to inspect the hinges. If they appear loose or misaligned, this is likely the cause of any issues you are experiencing with the screen. Using your Phillips screwdriver, gently tighten the screws that secure the hinges to the laptop chassis. Be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could cause damage to the plastic casing. If you find that the hinges are still not functioning correctly, you may need to adjust their position slightly. This can be done by loosening the screws just enough to allow for movement, then repositioning the hinges before retightening. While you have the back panel off, it's a good opportunity to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating, which can be detrimental to your laptop's performance. If this seems too tricky, remember, we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of travel. Our service includes a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done before any repairs are carried out. After you have adjusted the hinges and cleaned the internal components, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the device, ensuring that all clips are secured. Replace the screws you removed earlier, making sure they are tightened adequately, but not overly so. Finally, power on your Lenovo Ideapad 330 and check the functionality of the hinges. Open and close the laptop several times to ensure everything is working smoothly. If you notice any persistent issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs up front. By following these steps, you can effectively adjust the hinges on your Lenovo Ideapad 330, ensuring it remains in good working order. Regular maintenance and care can prolong the life of your device, so consider this a valuable skill to have. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.